Welcome guys. Okay, for today's tutorial, we'll be dealing mainly on Excel, and today we're going to be showing people about the chart and function. We'll be learning more of chart today because we really want to know what the chart is for, what we can use it for, and what we can achieve from the chart. So with that, we have this is a typed thing I've typed here. I typed in a plain random details to fill out these cells. So now we're going to work with them. First of all, we want to know what a chart is. A chart is kind of a simulation of the data. Maybe in cells, you have a data embedded in it, so you're trying to acquire what you're going to do with the data and how you're going to visualize it. So for that, we're going to use some charts. So charts kind of pictorial, let me not say just let me just use a kind of pictorial graph and shapes on how, yes, pictorial shape, the shape form on how data forms are inserted, so are calculated and evaluated. So with that, we are going to use the normal chart that people popularly know as the pie chart. So we'll use pie chart, and before we use pie chart, we need to select what we need. So if we're going to go to, we need to, let's calculate this one. We want to calculate this one, two, three. So we're going to now drag them down, shift and down arrow. Okay, so now we're going to go to chart, and let's use 2D pi, two dimension. Okay, we are seeing it that it's in calculated, is showing that, but we are not sure which one is actually. Okay, it showed value 300. Okay, it still showed it. So but in this way, we are not actually sure. It's kind of confusing. But on a random scale, one will know that the bigger one is the orange one. Then while the second biggest is big blue one, followed by the indigo or the grey shape. But we don't want it to be like that. We want it to be kind of in a way that people are going to understand. And by the way, we see that when the chat popped up, we had two new tabs, the design and format tab. We are still going to work with some of them. So we're going to work on this tab to make it, this chart, to make it a little easier for one who's not a computer literate to understand on the sketch. So we're going to delete this from our one we have here. Then with this magnificent, it has already showed us what we need. So we just have to highlight the scores also and go to the, okay, now is now better because now we now see that magnificent was assigned to blue, then halo orange, which at least makes it a little easier for a layman to understand that yes, magnificent is the bigger one, magnificent is the smaller one, but it will arrange it here according to the numbers serially. So it gives us at least an analysis, someone that is not used to it, computer, at least a breakdown of how it is. And also, so with that, another thing that we can't also highlight, let's delete this one to avoid confusion. We can't highlight three of them. Okay, let's see what will happen. We highlight all of them. Okay, you see that although we highlighted this score 2, which is 500, which is meant to make this magnificent skyrock and be the peak, but unfortunately it was halo, which shows us that we can't highlight 2 and expect it to be in a chart, 2 rows, 2 columns, rather. So I said, to accept it to be on a line. No, it's only columns you can highlight, and I don't mean column like this. You come and read diagonal, no, it's error. You only do it in a vertical form. So you have to bear that in mind unless you could actually read your data sheet and will give you it. So see the code, and that's why I like here. It also made it sheet A. It just gave the formula bar, made it a little bit for those, but it's complicated. But but it just made it in a kind of way for someone to maybe understand also, depending on your levels in programming. So in computer. So we're going to go to design. We can actually change the color of it. We can change it to, let it be this one. If we change it, that means three of them can change. You can change the colors of how we want the particular one to look like. There's no more colors in the launch button. Yeah, if you want it to be maybe green, that's a darker green, lighter green, and then also a much lighter version of green to differentiate it, which is also good, which is what we call monochromatic, which is giving it a darker, lighter version of it. But this colorful mixes different colors at a sketch. So I just go, let's use this one and go with it. So we see that halo is now blue. So you can also change the form. You just click on this launch button. You can change how the thing looks like. You can change it. You can change how just you can change lots of things. This design is good also for helping look at this how this is changing forms, our chart, giving it a unique design, and it's now you also showed it in percentage in case you're doing percentage to know that yes, magnificent got 30%. And also if you change it here, we can change it here. Let's see what's going to happen. So if we make here 2, see the thing reduced. So it's showing that the thing automatically syncs what you type in, so it's garbage in, garbage out. That's a computer goes, it assess it and give you the output proceeding. It doesn't waste your time at all. So that's it. So we click on it again, design. Then we also go to what's called the format tab. Here you can change shape effect. I love this prefect. It gives it a bevel form, 3D animation, makes it looks kind of, you can design it. You can look at this one. This one has a magnificent design, which is kind of in a 3D form, which is gracious in the eye. Like this part, really gracious. It's gracious in the eye for someone to behold it. So you can also shape fill, can shape fill it, but if you shape fill it, you will not know which one is it. It will not differentiate it again. So better just leave it as no fill for the design, so automatically get it what you want. So yeah, you can also change the outline, or you can use no outline. So it depends on your choice how creative you are in making it look colorful, and don't mess up your work that you're designing. So with the design, you can add chat element, chat title above chat. That you can chat title. You can call this test. Let's call it. Let's call this test. So that's our test. The title of this one. So we have a title which is gracious, magnificent. You have the test. So you can do lots of stuff with it. You can even quick layout how you want it to positioned. You can switch row, column, change tab, switch row, column. You just get it perfect. The data you want, and it changes the everything on this one. You can you can also do chart type to change it. If you want, you can put it to bar. You click OK, it changes it to bar on its own. So in case you're working in a company that requires data sheet or calculating maybe population census or national gross feeding, this actually just breaks it down for you in an easy way to understand. Okay, so thank you guys for watching the video. This about chat. Make sure you like, subscribe, and stay tuned for my next video. Thank you guys for watching.